Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jyoti.
And this is Shruts.
Yes.
Jojo,
Yeah.
Jojo,
Ready
what we
for
doing
some
today?
we're watching Master Chef. Tarunesh
Huh.
Talwar. Yeah, we're laughing. Ha ha ha. Yeah.
Oh God, we're gonna
Yeah.
sound like bhed bakri over. Come on.
No. What? That's Tala
I know,
Yuris.
I know. I know, but when we are doing it, we are sounding like bhed bakri.
Yeah,
He
that's
doesn't
true.
sound like
Yeah.
Chalo, theek hai.
Okay, let's
Eyes
get into
ready,
it.
let's just do it.
Ha. Most requested one from him, his sets. 1, 2, 3, play.
It's good to be here. It gives me a reason to get out of the house. वरना मैं पड़ा रहता हूँ. मेरी हॉबी है लेटना. और पैशन भी. मेरी लाइफ में कुछ भी होता है मैं लेट जाता हूँ. अच्छी चीज गंदी चीज बस लेट गए. सोचना ही नहीं है उसके आगे. तो मैं हफ्ते भर पहले घर पे पड़ा हुआ था और मुझे एसएमएस आया जिसमें लिखा था क्या आप मोटापे से परेशान हैं. सेंड वाई फॉर यस और एन फॉर नो. तो मैं वेला हूं और मुझे नया दोस्त बनाना था. तो मैंने एसएमएस कर दिया वाई. फोन आ गया, सर आप मोटापे से परेशान हैं. मैंने कहा वाई. कहता है क्या वेट है आपका. मैंने कहा नहीं मैं पतला हूं. मैं बस मोटापे से परेशान हूं. क्यों होता है दुनिया में मोटापा. क्या इंसान समझ नहीं पाया कि शरीर ही उसकी इकलौती संपत्ति है. सेहत ही सब कुछ है दोस्त. उसने फोन काट के मैसेज किया एन. तो मैं लेट गया फिर और क्या है. मैं अपना सारा समय बर्बाद कर देता हूं. I'm 26, this is the prime of my life and I'm wasting it. मैं दिन भर कुछ ना कुछ लैपटॉप पे देखता रहता हूं. मास्टर शेफ के 10-10 एपिसोड दिन में स्ट्रीम करके देखे हुए मैंने. 10-10. I was watching season 8 of MasterChef Australia and I saw the greatest act of bravery and stupidity that I've seen at the same time. There was an Indian contestant. Her name is Nidhi. The stakes are as high as they can be. This is the greatest cooking competition in the world. उसने भजिए तल के खिला दिए यार. भजिए मास्टर शेफ पे. I was like अखबार में बांध के दे देना धागे के साथ. मेहनत क्यों कर रही है. उसके सामने 3 सेलिब्रिटी शेफ्स खड़े थे. सेलिब्रिटी शेफ्स एंड देयर माइंड्स आर ब्लोन. दे कांट बिलीव कि किसी ने बेसन के अंदर प्याज डुबा दिया. बंदा पैक हो गया. He's like, oh my god, Nidhi, the bhaji is so beautiful. It's so crisp on the outside and then inside it's oozing with flavor. It's got such a lovely flavor profile. It's rustic and it's nostalgic. It's delicious. Nidhi, it's an explosion. It's a symphony in my mouth. I'm like 7 रुपए का मिलता है अंकल सड़क पे वो. 7 रुपए की चीज है वो. सिगरेट उससे ज्यादा महंगी है. लोग मौत पे ज्यादा पैसे खर्च कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे भजिए से. और निधि दुनिया की अकेली इंसान है जो अपने सपने पूरे करने के लिए भजिए तल रही है. वरना सिर्फ वो लोग तलते जिनके कभी पूरे नहीं हुए. जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द अदर कंटेस्टेंट्स मैन. मुझे उनके लिए ज्यादा बुरा लग रहा था. बेचारे मेहनत कर रहे थे. ऐसा नहीं था कि जो मिल गया तल देंगे. वो लोग ऐसी डिशेस बना रहे थे जिनको खाने के लिए मुझे एफडी तोड़वानी पड़ेगी. वो अपनी डिश ला रहे थे ऐसा लग रहा था कुछ है. They're like, this is a homemade chocolate ice cream. उसके आसपास व्हाइट चॉकलेट का घर है. उसके ऊपर डार्क चॉकलेट का मुकुट है. नीचे से धुआं निकलेगा. बाजू से आदमी निकल के सलाम करेगा. बगल में निधि खड़ी है. She's like, पकौड़े पकौड़े खाने हैं किसी ने. मैं पकौड़े लाई हूं. नहीं, वो सब लोग इतनी मेहनत कर रहे थे. मैं सोचा उनके लिए पकौड़े बना दूं. आई एम नॉट अ रियल कंटेस्टेंट. मैं टीवी पे देख रही थी. थाली लेके आ गई.
So sad. Poor
The
Nidhi.
other contestants were so serious. They were so serious about what they had to do. The judges were going around and asking them, Claire, what are you planning to make? Claire is not messing around. She's like, all right, Gary, my protein is duck. It adds a certain amount of sweetness to the dish. I need to cut that with some acidity from lime zest, but I also need to have a creamy element, so I might experiment with a cauliflower puree. And then later on, in order to balance the textures out, I might need to have a crunchy element. So I might make a sesame twirl if I have the time. Nidhi ne kya socha? She was like, मौसम बड़ा प्यारा हो रहा है. थोड़े भजिए तल देते हैं, रेडियो पे किशोर कुमार लगा देंगे, मजा आ जाएगा भाई. समा है सुहान. भजिए खा रहे हैं ऑस्ट्रेलियन लोग for no reason. There is no reason. पहले मैंने ये देखा and I was like, यार मुझे हंसी आने लग गई निधि पे. Then I thought जो भी है कम से कम जॉब तो नहीं कर रही है, किसी ऑफिस में तो नहीं फंसी हुई है. क्या कर रहे हो अपनी जिंदगी के साथ है? ऐसी नौबत कैसे आ गई? अब सिर्फ साउथ बॉम्बे में रहते हो, फैमिली में प्रिविलेज है, अभी भी बैंक दे दी ज्यादातर जिंदगी किसी घटिया बॉस को. See, I understand why there is silence in the room right now. Because you guys are like, गेंडे यही कड़वी सच्चाइयां भूलने के लिए तो यहाँ पे आए थे, ठीक है, I get it. पर मैं याद दिलाने आया हूँ. और माइक मेरे पास है, तो देख लो क्या करना है.
देख लो क्या करना.
आप लोग बॉम्बे में रहते हो, आपको जॉब करने की क्या जरूरत है? बॉलीवुड ज्वाइन करो यार, इतना तो आसान है. See, I understand if you want to be an actor or a director, you need to have contacts. पर गंदा लिरिसिस्ट, लाइक अच्छा नहीं, बुरा लिरिसिस्ट मैं कह रहा हूँ, वो तो कोई भी बन सकता है ना यार. 8-10 ही तो शब्द है, हम सफर, दिलरुबा, बेवफा, जाने मन, मिला के देखो क्या बनता है. बीच में 2 बार सेक्सी बोल देना, पक्का हिट हो जाएगा.
या बेबी.
म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, गंदा म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, अच्छा नहीं, बनना ही नहीं अच्छा.
बनना
खराब
भी
वाला
अच्छा.
बनने में इतना फायदा है, इंटरनेट से चुराना ही तो है बस, और क्या करना है. मेरे से घर से बाहर नहीं निकला जाता बिकॉज ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक दैट प्लेज एट पब्लिक प्लेसेस. मेरी देसी लुक, मेरी देसी मर गए, गोरे 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 गोरे. हम लोग एक पूरे इंसान का पूरा दिमाग लगा था क्या ये सोचने के लिए, क्योंकि 6-6 साल के बच्चे टहलते टहलते जो आवाजें निकालते हैं ना, वो भी इससे बेटर होती है. Just be a bad music director. All you have to do is इंटरनेट से चुराना है बस. इसीलिए मुझे आजकल के बॉलीवुड के लिए इज्जत नहीं है, मुझे पुराने बॉलीवुड के लिए इज्जत है. उनका ऐसा नहीं था कि इंटरनेट से चुरा लेंगे और हो जाएगा, नहीं. वो चुराने के लिए फ्लाइट की टिकट बुक करके जाते थे, ठीक है. वो लोग लेजेंड्स थे, खुद के पैसे से यूएस जाते थे. एल्विस प्रेस्ली के कॉन्सर्ट, एल्विस स्टेज पे आता था. Who makes my heart beat like thunder? They're like, ठीक है भाई, ये वाला तो याद रहेगा. Then they would come back. कौन है जो सपनों में आया? Like, ये हुई ना बात, ये हुई ना बात. कोई लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड दो इनको, कुर्ता पहन के चुराया है, वाह.
Man after my own heart. I love it. I love it.
His delivery is mind blowing. He's amazing at taking such a simple thing that is going on. You know, हम भी अगर बैठ के मास्टर शेफ पे कुछ देख रहे होंगे, we'll also look at this and be like, ये क्या हो रहा है? Like, you know, but that'll end over there. He has taken that ये क्या हो रहा है and made it into a whole set and made it so funny. He's amazing. It's very fun.
No, yeah, but I mean, yeah, we all look at it and we'll be like, what is she's making bhajiyas for them on MasterChef? But you know how like simple things about your cuisine is also very like exotic and all of that. So I get that.
Yeah.
I get Nidhi's logic. But the way he weaved the whole joblessness and this thing into becoming a lazy music director, and how he hates the latest Bollywood songs for whatever reasons, full marks for that seg. So well done.
Very nice. Very nice.
And yes,
In fact,
I'm with him on this.
I want to loop back. Have you seen any of these like Master Chefs and all? Like, have you like had a phase in your life where you've actually started watching and then you just can't move away?
No.
Has that happened with you?
No. I was just never tempted to watch MasterChef because I'm not a foodie. So I like food, but I don't chase it. I don't.
So I don't watch it, but people around me watch it, and with a lot of passion. So to the
Yeah,
point
I know a lot of
where
people.
I remember watching this bhajia wala thing. You know what the discussion at my place was?
What?
क्या वो उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा मेथी डाल देती तो और ज्यादा बढ़िया बनते? अरे ये तो भूल ही गए। अरे इसके अंदर थोड़ा और ये हो जाता तो और यमी बन
Oh
जाता।
my
ये तो बड़े
God.
प्लेन से बना के खिला के आ गई यार। So the discussion was about the passion of that bhajia and how
Mm.
India में there would be 50,000 different ways that that bhajia could be
Could
presented
be
better.
presented and
That
made.
is what happens. That
Include
is what
and the
happens
chutney
with the
also, na?
simple things.
The chutney
कोई वहां पहुंचेगा
discussions
नहीं।
must have. Yeah.
एग्जैक्टली कोई वहां पहुंचेगा नहीं बस सबको अपना 2 बिट्स ऑफ विशेष टिप्पणी ऐड करनी है बिकॉज लाइक यू फील दैट इमोशनल कनेक्ट एंड आई आल्सो
Mm.
जस्ट केप्ट वेटिंग फॉर वन चाय का लाइन आई वाज कि भजिए की बात कर रहा है तो चाय की बात तो करेगी लेकिन एटलीस्ट उसने चलो मौसम की बात की सो आई वाज हैप्पी विद दैट बट
Awesome
भजिया विदाउट
radio,
चाय इज
Guru Kumar ke
इनकम्प्लीट
gaane, it was all a package.
हाँ
But
हाँ
no,
हाँ
I always wondered why people watch MasterChef because you can't taste the food they're making anyway. So I don't get
या
it. If you like food, are you watching it for the recipes which they are not giving? Maybe you're watching it for the
of
drama
course
of
they're
it.
giving a lot of of course they're giving they
Oh,
give
they are.
recipes and all yeah in the break time and
Oh.
like whatever sometimes they give you recipes sometimes the recipes are available online that the one that they used this is what it is and you go to the site and you get it and I actually know people who are very very diligent about it and then they attempt it at home like I think I know some like very serious foodie type people who are like involved with the whole
Yeah,
thing
I guess if
so
you
yeah
like food and you enjoy the process of creating a dish, then yeah, it's. But I still get surprised at how big that show is and how many different
yeah
countries have adapted it into their local formats and all of that. But yeah,
yeah
that
yeah
aside, I like this. My favorite part was the music directors and bad lyricists cut case that
yes
because
yes
it's needed, it has to be called out. And yes, kids make better noises than. Because I'll tell you what happened after a point, because programming music in radio, you have to, your ears are subjected to this by default. Like every day, you
yeah
have to listen to all the new songs and you have
yeah
to pick and choose and figure out what to play on air. And because some songs are so highly in demand, as soon as they release, the public starts requesting them, that you have to put them in the database. And then
yeah
when you're making, like, imagine this, like being your life from morning to evening, 9 to 5, you're in charge of making playlists, right, for different
yeah
shows.
yeah
So when you spend that much time having to even listen to 10 seconds of the hook when you're scheduling songs and making those playlists, it just takes a toll on your brain because you're like, ye kya main sun rahi hu? You know. So that has happened for so many years. After a point, I was like, bus bahut ho gaya. That's also one of the main reasons that Maddie and I took that break once we left the station we worked at together. We were like, bus ho gaya, ab thoda break chahiye music se. So people might
correct
wonder on the channel in the beginning we used to say that, for 2 years we kind of just stopped listening to all the music we used to listen to
It took me 5 years.
because
After I quit radio, it took me
yeah
5 years to enjoy even the good songs.
yeah
Because I just stopped listening to music altogether. Because
mm,
what started happening is I could listen to instrumental music, but I just couldn't, even good songs I couldn't
yeah
listen to. Because
yeah
my mind would start calculating. अरे 10 सेकंड है इसमें अच्छा इसका intro 28 seconds का है.
yes
How do I cut it down? What will I talk over it so that the
mm,
segue would be cleaner? I
yeah
couldn't listen to music normally. So
I
I
feel
hear you
you.
completely. Yeah.
It's like PTSD of another kind. It happens to
Hot
all
seat
of us.
PTSD.
Yes, yes, yeah, that's exactly what it is. But loved it. Loved that he called out all the bad lyrics and all the mumbo jumbo that's happening in songs.
If it does
And
one full set about these songs and what all has been picked up, now I would love to
yeah,
listen to that also. I think that'd be so
yeah,
amazing.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So Karunesh, if you're watching, please do that next time. But loved it. Thank you so much for requesting this and suggesting this, and tell us more comedy videos we should get to. Slide into my DMs on Insta for that, and we'll see you in the next one. Shalom.
Bye.
Live long and prosper. And don't listen to bad music.